Hello, in front of me I've got Hyundai Santa Fe. In this video I'll show you where can you find toolset location. To find toolset location, firstly press tailgate opening button, and now open the trunk. Right here you can find lift and all necessary tools. Under the trunk floor you can find additional compartment with the fire extinguisher and emergency triangle. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.